So this is the image of our backyard. This is obviously before any work has taken place. This is coming out of our main living room onto the deck, and just kind of showing you a general overview of what the yard looks like. This entire section here is pretty much all rotted away. We're going to be replacing all of this with stamped concrete. We have our valves for our sprinkler systems, that's all coming out. We're going to replace all of that. This real ugly stone, whatever you want to call it, little barrier for our tree, that's all coming out. We're going to replace that with some ledger stone wall. All of this rock area, or at least the majority of it's going to be covered in stamped concrete as well. There will be some area that we're going to plant some grass. Coming up on the pool, you can see the bottom of the pool. The plaster is in real bad shape. We're going to replace all that with pebble stone. But all of this is going to be redone. All the rocks that surround the pool, these rocks here, everything that's bordering the pool, that's all coming out. And we're going to be building another ledger wall in the back with ledger stone. So the steps here staying the same, other than the tile will be all changed. So coming over here, this section here is going to be tore out. It's just going to become ultimately the outdoor kitchen area. And then the hot tub here is just going to be updated. All of this these rocks will be taken out, all replaced with the stamped concrete. All of this is. This fern here, that's going to be removed. We're thinking about just moving it back, seeing if we can replant it without, we're going to take all these redwoods out that we're going to see here in a second, and these redwoods are what drop all that crap into the ferns. So if we move those back, and of course redwoods being gone, I think they'll look really nice. This is the spillway right now from the hot tub into the pool. That's going to widen and have a copper spillway put in. As you can see, the shape of the pool won't change. We're going to leave that the same. There's 5 redwoods here. All 5 of them are coming out. They're massive, and they drop a ton of stuff into the pool, make a mess out of the backyard, and the root system is starting to cause problems with the coping around the pool and around the hot tub, and the arborist recommended they come out. So we're going to take those out, grind all the stumps, get rid of all of that, clean that back area up, replace it with some new trees. Again, the rocks like that right there, that's coming out. That little rock over there is coming out. Just have a really clean outside line. All the tiles going to be changed. Again, here you can see all the staining on the bottom of the pool from the old plaster, just really wore out. So come around over here. These steps, the tile will change to some simple step tile, not the full length, but the step design will stay the same. That fern over there will come out. Don't think we're going to keep that. Not sure yet exactly. Just a different angle on the spillway. The red barn you see over here, we're going to be chopping that down quite a bit. And of course repainting it, cleaning it up, making it a little bit more modern looking. All of these rocks are going to be taken out, adding a auto leveling system for the water. That'll save me some time and headache. This fern is what I was talking about. We're either going to take it out and move it back as well. We haven't decided. This section behind this is where all the pool equipment is. That's going to stay the same, and this lattice portion will stay the same. But these vertical slats, this whole section will come out, open up that side yard quite a bit, and we're going to plant grass in through that side yard. The air conditioner is going to be removed and put around the corner, so we won't be in the line of sight. It'll be kind of hidden back there where nobody looks. Japanese maple, of course, will stay the same. That's going to stay. That's beautiful in the summertime. And then this oak tree here that we're going to be looking at, this oak tree is going to come out. It's causing problems. It's starting to lean towards the neighbor's house, pushing the fence over, causing a lot of trouble. So we're having that removed, taken all the way down. So this will all be flat here, and that's where as I said, the outdoor kitchen will go right there. That little fire pit is going to go away. I don't think we're going to have much use for that. The little old barbecue will be gone. We'll put up some railing around the deck, not the roof line that you're looking at, but the deck that we just looked at. A lot of new lighting, a lot of new, the sprinkler system's all going to be changed, moved. So adding quite a bit there. And I guess that's about it. So we're in mid-November right now as we're looking at this. Expect to start demolition here in the next, I don't know, 2 to 3 weeks. And the trees will be coming out towards the end of December. So we're not going to actually start rebuilding until after the trees are out. So I'll come back when the demo starts and start filming that so you can see kind of a timeline of what it looks like. All right. See you in a couple weeks.